Rooting your OPPO lets you customize your phone, remove bloatware, boost performance, and improve battery life. In this guide, we'll show 5 effective ways to root your OPPO, from simple to advanced methods. Part 1. Tips to follow before rooting OPPO devices. Backup. Save your OPPO data using reliable software like Magisk Backup Manager. Charge. Ensure 80% plus battery. Unlock bootloader, if required. Install TERP. Check availability for your model. Enable developer options. Tap build number. Enable USB debugging. Check tool compatibility. Match your OPPO model and Android version. Read guides or reviews. Understand steps and issues. No risks. Rooting may void warranty, cause instability, or data loss. Part 2. How to root OPPO with KingoRoot. Download KingoRoot APK and enable unknown sources. Install and launch the app. Tap OneClickRoot and wait. If the SuperSU app appears, rooting succeeded. If not, retry. Part 3. How to root OPPO phone using Magisk. Download Magisk zip and copy it to your device via USB ME-TP. Boot into TERP recovery. Tap install. Select the Magisk zip and swipe to flash. When done, tap reboot system. Part 4. How to root OPPO smartphone with SuperSU. Download the latest SuperSU zip. Boot into recovery mode, volume down plus power. Tap install. Select SuperSU zip and swipe to confirm flash. When done, tap reboot. Part 5. How to root OPPO device via OneClickRoot. Visit OneClickRoot's official site. Select OPPO. Enter your model and Android version, then click Next. Click Verify Device Rootable. If successful, click Purchase Now to complete. Part 6. How to root OPPO with iRoot. Download and install iRoot on your PC. Launch it and connect your OPPO via USB. Once detected, click Root. iRoot will root and reboot your device automatically.